There are a lot of times where you just need to watch content on a larger display than what your iPhone has to offer. I know it can seem confusing at first, but this video will show you how to cast iPhone to TV in 3 easy methods. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech content and guides. Watch the video all the way to the end because I have a very special offer for you. And I'm sure that you're going to love this, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned. First up on the list of how to cast from iPhone to TV is AirPlay. AirPlay is native to all iPhones and was built directly by Apple themselves. Of course, it works with Apple TV and Roku on Samsung 8K series, LG 8K series, Roku, TCL, Sony, and more brands. It's been great for gaming, doing presentations, and perfect for those with Apple devices. It's easy to set up. On a Samsung TV, check that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your TV, navigate to settings, hit connection, and turn on AirPlay. Using your iPhone, swipe from the top right to open the control center. Select the AirPlay icon and choose your TV or smart device and enter the passcode if required. Method 2 to iPhone cast to TV is using something like DoCast for TVs that are incompatible with AirPlay. It can be done on something like a Chromecast and a Firestick and supports TV brands like LG, Sony, Samsung, Philips, and more. To start, install DoCast, launch the app, and tap Allow to their ad analytics. Click Continue as it walks you through the multiple casting options available to you within the app. Next, grant the app the necessary permissions for network access and Bluetooth as well. Don't forget to tap the Photos button and allow access to photos and videos in order to cast them in the future. DoCast is very user-friendly. Launch the app, tap your TV, then select what you like to cast: display, photos, music, or even videos. To cast videos, tap Videos, select the video you want to cast, and it'll cast right away. The quality is top tier with zero lag, and it works very similar to AirPlay. Method 3 to cast iPhone screen to TV is by using the native function in apps like Netflix or YouTube. This works well for people who only want to stream content but don't care for mirroring their display. Open up YouTube, sign in, and grant all permissions like access to the network. Open up a video, then click the icon at the top. YouTube then displays a list of devices you can connect to. Pick your device of choice, and now you can cast your iPhone to Smart TV. Remember to ensure that both your iPhone and the device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now that's how to cast video from iPhone to TV. AirPlay is perfect for Apple users. For TVs that don't support AirPlay, apps like DoCast can provide an excellent alternative. And finally, using native casting features in the app like YouTube or Netflix is also an easy method. DoCast is my personal favorite, mostly because it just works with most devices and is very smooth. All right, the moment you've been waiting for, the contest. I, with the team of developers of DoCast, want to give you 50 promo codes for an annual and lifetime subscription to DoCast to the first people who subscribe, like this video, and write a comment. After you do that, go to the DoCast profile on Reddit and message us directly, and we're going to immediately send you a promo code. You can find a link to the DoCast Reddit in the description of this video, and that's pretty much it. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Make sure to thumbs up the video and comment down below if you have any questions.